What is a dye the hair? Tinctures, the hair sheet products used to color the hair, and depending on type ingredients, dye split tinctures for 3 species. Tinctures the hair. Temporary. Cover just section external from the hair, so know it remains for a while long. Same always. Continue the color the resulting for few days. Always. Continue the color the resulting for several weeks. It was completed a test ingredients dye on domain wide on bezel years many, and I found it that it's safe. Ingredients tincture the hair, to color the hair in a way permanent. Contains tinctures the hair on group for materials, chemical the most important of them ammonia and peroxide hydrogen, water oxygen. Peroxide hydrogen, the favor also basin developer or the worker oxidizer. Helps this component on formation color it lasts for a while longer. Whenever increased amount peroxide hydrogen used, whenever increased loss in item sulfur component for follicles the hair, and it causes loss sulfur in falling the hair, and for this the reason, with regards for most tinctures the hair, the amount peroxide hydrogen 30% or less. Ammonia. Allow for dye penetratingly follicles the hair. In addition to that, contains dye on species different from alcohol, which preserve on ingredients dye homogeneous, but chicken that it causes drought the hair. Road dye the hair in the house for women and for men. Wash your hair before situation dye about 24 to 48 hours and avoid use balsam. When wash your hair, cover any surface around you. My situation newspapers on the earth to protect her from any color, maybe it spills on her. Lay down towel around your shoulders. Comb your hair well, and make sure from non-existence any tangle in poetry. Use comb to separate your hair to parts small. Whenever he was your hair more thicker, whenever he was upon you divide it for parts smaller, until you can dye from access for every the hair. Lay down Vaseline or moisturizer on your ears and your neck. This is amazing step optional, but she will make from easy removal any tincture contact your skin. Recoil gloves. Use a brush to distribute dye on all part from your hair. Distributed dye on your hair well. Lay down bonnet plastic or plastic bag on your hair. Get up by removing parts dye that it flew on your skin. Leave it dye on the hair and follow instructions existing on the can. Know you wash dye before limit lows.